Hello everybody, so today we're going to learn some silent letters in the words. We write them as usual, but we don't pronounce them because they are silent. So let's get over to the video without wasting time. So the first letter is B. B is very common silent letter in the words. First word where B is silent, it's thumb. We don't say thumb. We say thumb. Give this video a thumbs up. The next word where B letter is silent, it's comb. Comb, like for comb or hair. So it's not comb, it's comb. This word you will definitely pronounce climb. No, the B is silent and it's climb. Climb. Some people like to climb tree. Climb. The other word is doubt. Doubt. It's not doubt or dobit. It's doubt. Like we say, I don't doubt your ability. And it's doubt. This word is most commonly used. It's that. That. B is silent and we say that. I'm going to pay off my debt. So it's that, not debt. So let's get over through the next letter, which is silent in certain words, and it's C. This word is seen. Seen. Like it's a gorgeous scene. So it's seen. This word is scent. Not that currency scent, it's scent. This word means the smell. Like I love the scent of the flowers. So this is scent. The other word is fascinating. It's fascinating. It means interesting. Like it's a fascinating book, it's interesting book. The next word, which is silent in the letters, it's D. In this word, D is silent. We say Wednesday. Wednesday. We don't say Wednesday. Wednesday. It's kind of weird. We say Wednesday. This word is most commonly misspelled. It's sandwich. Sandwich. We usually say sandwich. We say it's sand and it's witch, so we both say sandwich. No, it's sandwich. D is silent in this word. The other word where D is silent and it's bridge. Bridge. If we say bridge, it's weird. We say bridge. And D is silent in this word. Like we were going over the bridge. Bridge. This word is edge. Edge means verge. Some say adage, but it's edge. Edge. This word is very commonly misspelled. Some say handsome, handsome, but it's handsome, handsome. Next letter, which is commonly silent in the letters, it's G. This word is resign, resign. Some say resign, resign. Really funny to pronounce, but it's resign. This word is foreign. Foreign. I'm just kidding. It's foreign. Foreign. G is silent in this word. Foreign. One more example is design. G is silent in this word and we pronounce this word as design. Like your shirt design is very beautiful. H is another most common silent letter in the words. In this word we say what. What? What's your name? We don't say what's your name? It's your name. It's kind of funny, but we say what. Next word is extremely commonly used word. It's are. Some say over. It's okay, but H is silent. We don't say hover or har. We say are. I would say over. These were some silent letters you probably know or not, but these were very informative words, and if you pronounce them wrongly, you have to practice these and you will say them correctly. And if you want more video like these words, so hit the like, do subscribe, and comment me in the comment box that you want the next part of the video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.